Hello everyone, this is Shankar Bhusal and welcome back in my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain how we can replace the damaged door lock system of a washing machine. If there is a problem occurring a door lock system of front loader washing machine, then the door will not lock properly during its function. So that's why we must need to replace that damaged door lock system with new one. Okay, let's see in the video how we can replace that step by step. Here I am showing you internal circuit of door lock system. Look like this. Symptom of this door lock system is that the door cannot lock during its function. So let's replace the older damaged door lock circuit with new one. Remove the GI wire wound tightly over the door rubber kit. Then after loose screw of lock system circuit. I am going to loose the screw of this lock circuit, door lock circuit. There are only two screws attached for this circuit. So friends, here I am going to remove the door lock circuit from its connector. Look like this. Only 3 terminals are there. And now I am going to replace that damaged part with the new one. Fit the door lock tightly with the connector. The connector must be connected tightly with the door lock.
स्क्रूको भाग त मिलिसकेन, सकेट पनि मिल्यो, खै मिल्छ होला नि भाग। राम्रले पाउँछ उहाँलाई। Friends, you can see it's ready for work and door has properly latched, locked.
Okay friends, if you like the video, please share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to hit bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.